Good afternoon. Beautiful day here in Texas. Recognize the Yukon? Just a reminder, this one's got a 5-year graphene coating on it. We've already tested the coating last month, make sure it's bonded correctly. It is all black. A true detailer's test. After we get it all washed up, we're going to do a sealant topper. This will help to recharge, re-strengthen the coating, enhances that a little bit more. So this is from Ethos Car Care as well. Really good product. I've been using Ethos for a good almost 3 years now. I have quite a bit of inventory from them over the years, and I've loved all their stuff, particularly as a mobile detailer. It's hard to find products that work well outdoors. Although it's not designed to necessarily do that, if it's a higher quality product, it's going to be a lot more forgiving, and you can work around it and kind of learn how to work outside. But mobile detailing is here to stay. You know, the economy is definitely interested in things that are more convenient. We're starting off 2023 with a lot of business on the books coming in. A lot of people interested in the coating, so business will pivot to focus more on the nano coatings, particularly the 5 and 7 year range. So we look forward to all the projects to come this year, and stay tuned for this wash. So this one today is getting a full exterior foam cannon wash with pH balanced soap. After it's washed, we're gonna have a sealant topper, which helps to enhance the existing coating as well as assist with the hydrophobic properties and the glossiness and just overall appearance. So we apply that once a month in addition to the wash.